This study emphasizes on sustainable in the construction industry by proposed trip to a construction site under TYT Builder. The experimental learning opportunity aims to bridge the gap between theory and practice by allowing students to observe sustainable practice and interact with the professional. The example for construction management is project planning for the single-story bungalow, double-story bungalow, and shop lot. Resource management involves equipment, team coordination for ensuring effective communication and resolving any issue that may arise during this project. Another construction management is budgeting and cost control, scheduling, and quality control. For example, sustainable construction is design innovation, material selection that are environmental friendly and sustainable is essential on this site. Energy efficient and life cycle assessment are also examples for sustainable construction. The objective are to investigate how construction management and sustainable techniques are used in actual practice and to understand the challenge faced and solution implemented to promote sustainable practice. Each construction project has its own district further. The range of projects selected for analysis may restrict how broadly the result can be applied. Limitation of experience of this site is analysis, possible ethical issue, and enable to quantify long-term effect.
All the information was gathered through the interview session at the site construction with the Assistant Project Manager Encik Samsul from TYT Builder Sdn Bhd. The table below shows the project background for our visitor site. The selected site project, which is TYT Builder Sdn Bhd, was located at number 9 Jalan Keluang Perdana 1. The planning of the site are to build the single and double story bungalow, semi-D bungalow, rumah mampu milik Johor, and terrace house.
Aluminium formwork was used at the site that we visited. As is common knowledge, conventional formwork or formwork made of wood is frequently used in construction in Malaysia. Aluminium formwork can stand up to the pressure of freshly mixed concrete than other conventional formwork. Apart from this, aluminium formwork offers a superior surface finish and does not require the application of plaster, while traditional formwork frequently requires plastering. Additionally, construction time can be saved because of this method eliminates the time for bricklaying. For waste prevention, the site looks tidier and cleaner on site with less debris since the formwork uses aluminium. It has been seen that the trash is organized in orderly manner. Using the 3R principle that is reduce, reuse and recycle, the site effectively lowers the amount of trash that is made, promotes the reuse of materials and ensure the recyclable trash is handled properly. When this effective waste management strategy is used, not only is the site construction keep clean and well organized, but also the project has a much smaller effect on the environment. Consistent waste removal serves to prevent the build-up of debris, which has the potential to obstruct work and investment of present hazards to safety.
Next is reuse, reduce and recycle. From this side, Encik Samsul also told us that the aluminium formwork is reusable material that can be assembled easily several times. By reusing aluminium, we can contributing to environmental protection and also reduce construction waste. Occupational Health and Safety (OHS) involve identifying and preventing workplace hazard through control measure. Construction workers wear full safety clothing with safety managers inspecting facilities and ensuring compliance with regulation. Site-specific safety procedures are emphasized in morning briefing. Next is clean energy. The construction site we visit use electricity from TNB with diesel as their energy source. There are 4 renewable energy sources for powering construction sites, which is solar, wind, hydroelectric, and hydrogen power cells. They do not use clean energy. For building and material use, the site visit utilized metal holding construction for safety, security and protection. Promoting sustainable resource management, the holding components could be reused, saving costs during construction and contributing to recycling. Lastly, for indoor environment quality, during our site visit, we highlight the importance of indoor environment quality IEQ in construction site. Worker facilities including rest area and hygiene facilities are crucial for team well-being and productivity. This space provides a comfortable, rejuvenating environment during breaks, fostering a positive work atmosphere.
Comparison on the construction practices and sustainable approach. First is waste management process. Waste management process is being implemented in the site construction. The person in charge for sustainable responsible to make sure all the waste is disposed and segregated according to its type. The waste bin, or known as rubber bins, is used. There is a schedule for the waste to be collected. Second is material and resources. In the site construction, they use aluminium formwork. The sustainable construction approach prioritizes eco-friendly and renewable materials. Barriers to sustainable implementation in construction. The construction industry faces several barriers to the sustainable implementation of practice. There are some barriers to sustainable implementation in this construction project. First is cost and financial constraints. The higher initial as the preserved return on investment may be uncertain or require a longer payback period. The developers and contractors for this project driven by a market that prioritizes immediate financial goals and answer to market demand. Second is awareness and education. For this project, stakeholders including developers, contractors, and even consumers are fully informed about the benefits and long-term value about sustainable construction methods. Without a clear understanding, decision makers default to the conventional methods, perpetuating to status quo. Last, short-term project focus. This construction project prioritizes immediate goals to complete the project within a time frame and minimize initial costs, which lead to the neglect of long-term sustainable consideration.